Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, objectives and setting objectives. So in the last two sessions we discussed about what do you mean by strategy, what do you mean by that strategic management, and also strategic management process. Now we are going to discuss important topic, objectives and setting objectives. So in every organization we already discussed vision, mission, and objective. So vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal, and finally you are going to achieve your objective. So what is the definition for objective? Objectives are those ends which the organization seeks to achieve by its existence and operations. Objective is a specific commitment to achieve a measurable result within a specified time. So what are the characteristics of organizational objectives? Multiplicity, hierarchy, networking, time dimension, quantifiable and non-quantifiable, social sanction. We will see one by one. So multiplicity, so you can see the word multiple, it means two or more. So multiplicity means trigger the problem of fixing priorities. So you are going to prioritize your work and you can do it, right? So that's a very important. So if you're facing problems because of you're having overload, you're having a lot of work, but you have to prioritize which one is important, which one is not important for now. So you can choose and you can work for them. Hierarchy, it's a different levels of organization, top level, middle level, and low level. Networking, networking is nothing but linking, intertwine and networked HR marketing. So if you take it as in an organization, not only you'll get the communication from one department, you can coordinate with all the departments. For example, HR, marketing, finance, operations, systems, right? So administration. So lot of departments are there, but you need a network. For example, if we take it as a finance, what about the opening stock? What about the closing stock? I mean the cash inflow and cash outflow. And HR, whether you need the recruitment or not, everything it will be okay, or you have to recruit someone. In production, how many products you completed, still yet to complete. So in the production, in marketing, how many products sold, still yet to sell, right? So that is a marketing. So there is an interconnection, that is the networking, right? So intertwine and networked with the functional systems, that is the network. Time dimension, it's nothing but time bound. They're having short term and long term. So within the time duration, you can complete your work. Quantifiable and non-quantifiable. Quantifiable is nothing but quantity. Non-quantifiable is nothing but quality. So each product, they're having some benchmark or quality in that particular product. So that is a quality. So for example, if you take it as Apple, the cost will be high, but the quality level of the product, it will be in quality level. So in the quantity example, for example, if the product is in proper quality, the quantity of the customers will increase. For example, now 1,000 customers are purchasing the particular product. Now it will be increased to 10,000, or maybe the quantity will increase. So that is the difference between the quantifiable and non-quantifiable. Finally, we are having social sanction. Social sanction is nothing but needs of the society. It means CSR, corporate social responsibility. So what do you mean by corporate social responsibility? Uh, if any organization don't focus only on profit, they will do some, not only they will focus on profit, they will do some needs of the society. For example, if we take it as a TCS, CTS, I mean that Tata Consultancy Services, Cognizant, Roots Industries. The best example, Samthi in Coimbatore, or using the corporate social, providing that some facilities to the customers. I mean that public. But TCS providing some drinking water, and also they can take a village and providing houses to construct the houses. drinking water, to provide education to that children, right? So these are all corporate social responsibility. Some disaster will happen means uh, most of the organization, they are doing some corporate social responsibility, right? So that is the needs of the society. So that is the objective one, setting objectives. What do you mean by strategy and tactics? Strategy is the overall plan or set of goals that define what and why to achieve long-term objectives. So they have to answer for what and why. That is a strategy. So tactics are the specific actions or steps that detail the how to execute the strategy and accomplish those goals. That is a tactics. Strategy is more difficult to change once it's set in motion. Tactics are easier to adjust depending on changing circumstance. So depends upon the situation, you can use tactics to sell the product to the customer. But strategy, immediately you can't change. You have to frame its long-term purpose, right? So that's only we discussed, vision and mission. So long-term purpose only you are going to frame the strategy. So that's only the answer you'll get from that what and why to achieve the long-term objectives. And also strategy is more difficult to change once it's set in motion, right? So in that moving, it cannot be changed. So tactics are the specific actions or steps that detail the how to execute the strategy. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. Next session, we are going to discuss in depth about that strategy and tactics. Thank you all.